Okay, in this video, I will explain on the leaf traces. Okay, in my last video, I had already explained on the internal morphology of stem. So here in this video, it is a very short video. I will explain on the leaf traces. So as you can see that the Cycas stem, it shows a most peculiar kinds of leaf traces. Usually, as you can see here in this picture, 4 leaf traces are present. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 4 leaf traces, they arise from the vascular cylinder of the stem. And as you can see here that 2 of the leaf traces, they arise directly towards the side of the leaf. Okay, these 1 and 2. And these leaf traces, they run through the cortex. So as you know, this is the cortex, right? So these 2 leaf traces, they arise directly towards the side of the leaf and they run through the cortex and they will enter to the leaf. Here you can see these are known as the direct traces. Now these direct traces, the other 2, as you can see here, this 1 and 2, these 2, they emerge from the stele. As you can see here, they emerge from the stele of the stem and they curve in opposite direction. Both of these, this one from this direction and this other one from this direction. So they emerge from the stem stele and they curve in opposite directing and they encircle, all right, encircle or girdle around this vascular cylinder before entering the leaf here, because we know that the leaf will arise from here, right? This is the leaf base and these girdle trays, they enter the leaf, they encircle or girdle around the vascular bundle and enter the leaf. Before entering the leaf, these traces are known as the girdle leaf traces. Now both the direct trace and the girdle traces, they arise, just remember this, that they arise from the protoxylem of the vascular bundles of the primary ring. And as you can see here that they pass through the cortex and then enter into the leaf. These traces, both the direct and the girdle traces, they divide and redivide to form a large number of bundles, okay, before they enter into the rachis of the leaf. And these bundles, they are usually endarched. Okay, they are usually endarched in the stem. So endarched meaning, as you know, that the protoxylem, it occurs towards the pith. Okay, it develops from the periphery towards the pith. So that is the meaning of endarched. So just remember that the vascular bundles, they are usually endarched in the stem, but when they enter here into the rachis, they become pseudo-mesarch or mesarch. All right, so pseudo-mesarch or mesarch, it means the protoxylem, it develops from both the periphery and the center, having the older cells surrounded by the younger cell. For example, this is the protoxylem. So here in the middle of the xylem, that is the old xylem, whereas the newly formed xylem, it forms from both sides, from the center of the pith and also from the periphery. Okay, so developing from both the center and the periphery, that is known as mesarch. So just remember that here, when they are in the stem, they are endarched, that is, they develop from the periphery towards the center, that is, towards the pith. But when they enter the rachis, these vascular bundles, they become mesarch or pseudo-mesarch, meanings they develop from both the periphery and the pith, okay, and the center. So then later on they will finally become exarch, okay, at the terminal end of the rachis. Okay, so at the terminal end of the rachis, they will become exarch. Exarch meaning the protoxylem is towards the periphery. It develops from the periphery towards the center. That is the meaning of the exarch. So here, let me show you, let me remind you the rachis. Okay, so this is known as the rachis. You see the leaf now when it is attached to the stem. So that vascular bundle in the stem, it is endarch. When it enters the rachis, it becomes mesarch. But towards this tip of the rachis, towards the end of the rachis, the vascular bundles, they become exarch at the terminal end of the rachis. So that is all about the leaf traces in the stem of the Cycas plant.